Last month, I have made huge wins on WTI. I have engaged on 2 different trading ideas and the hit rate is 100%, and this is why this coming week I am also focusing on WTI because there are some trading opportunity. So WTI is also known as the US oil. Let's have a look over here on the weekly chart. What I love about this is because right now it's at its major support level. With multiple retests over here, some traders will find that it's comforting for them to look for a buying opportunity. But this is where I get very wary because both buyer and seller have no idea whether the market should be pushing higher or lower. So this is the level that every traders will be trying to engage their trades in various opportunity or trading strategies they have been tested on and they're comfortable with. And this is when we have to be very cautious not to increase our position size unnecessarily. To the daily chart, you can see that pretty much the entire thing is a sideways movement, which is amazing for me because I'm a born counter trend trader. That means my default mode is counter trend trading, and having a sideways market gives me a lot of trading opportunities within the entire setup. For our chart, zoom in version of the sideways movement as well. If you are a trained harmonic pattern traders, you should be able to spot some of the patterns at this moment. If you fail to do so, remember to scan this QR code later. To the 1 hour chart, nothing much for me. So if this is all new to you, scan this QR code. It will bring you to our students community where you get to interact with like-minded people and even interact with myself as we can exchange some trading ideas. Once you have gained access to our community, the 15 minutes work day, go to verify channel, click the 100 emoji over here to gain more access to our content. Hit straight to Traders Cafe. This is where you get to meet like-minded people. Follow this format to introduce yourself so we get to know you better as well. Click the pin message over here, scroll to the bottom, redeem your free training over here. So once you click this link, you gain access to our students portal. As you can see, there are many courses over here, but this is for you for free. In this training, you are able to learn how to read trends the right way. You are able to learn trading strategies you can use right away. You even learn our secret formula on setting the right stop loss and targets level. Practice these strategies on a demo account, which you can get from most trading houses for free. After 90 days, when you see results, you can start trading on a live account. And if you love what you are seeing, you want to learn more about trading, then drop us a DM. We'll see if you are ready to be coached before accepting you as our students. If you scroll down further, this gives you an idea of the kind of traders we are. There are 2 groups of trading: structure-based trading and harmonic pattern trading. But both trading follow a same methodology that the second target has to hit a 2:1 ratio, a profit factor of 2 before we head in for a trade. Now, why is this important? Because having a profit factor of 2, we will just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. So that significantly reduces the level of stress most traders has, and it reduces the screen time. We just need to spend 15 minutes in front of the computer and let our smart devices to do the rest of the work. So if this sounds interesting to you, drop us a DM if you are interested to learn how to trade and analyze the market yourself, or simply to receive and gain access to our private trading ideas. Let's head back to our chart and let me share with you my analysis over here. This is the support I'm talking about. 65.98 is the major support level that you want to look at. Of course, this is the area that we are focusing right now. Daily chart, we have a bearish bat pattern completing at 82.44. With my experience, I don't think it's going to happen. What really concerns me is that I do see a series of lower high, lower low. All right, then we have a lower high, equal low, equal high, equal low, lower low, and equal low. So this pretty much can say that the market might have a breakdown towards the downside. So this is something that you have to be very careful of, and that's why I put up a very strange indicator for me to monitor closely. So WTI presents great trading opportunity, but you have to be very careful and make sure you place in your stop loss. Do not increase your position size on this trade just yet. All right, so on the 4-hour chart, if you have been following me, last week I bought this. Previously we have bought the Bullish Bat pattern, hit targets, then we exit, didn't do anything. After some time, then we engage it on this Bullish Shark Pattern. It has reached the first target and we have exited our first target as well. Right now it has reached a 5-0 pattern, which is a shorting opportunity. Pretty easy to recognize because this is red. Alright, if you see red, we are looking to short. If you see blue, we are looking to buy. Alright, so when there is a confirmation over here, then 5-0 pattern traders can consider the healing for a shorting opportunity. Should the market went higher and hit the second target of the Bullish Shark Pattern, this is where the Bearish Shark Pattern is going to form up as well, which is amazing because when you see a series of Bullish Shark and Bearish Shark, that means the market is opening up, volatility is increasing because they usually create a lower low and a higher high as it moves in most situations. So 72.03 could be the level that you want to focus for the next shorting opportunity as well. As you can see on the daily chart, it is pointing much safer to head in for a shorting opportunity, although the weekly chart do have a strong support. So what do? That means when we head in to a shorting opportunity, should we choose to extend our targets, we have to look closely how the market reacts on the weekly chart at 65.98 level. More precise, important level will be 64.01. Breaking off this level, then the market may dip even much further. All right, so this is something that is very important for you to take note of. If you manage to engage a shorting opportunity, I might just keep my second target open and observe the market in different levels as it moves. So for whatever reason, if you are still waiting for a buying opportunity through your analysis, well, there is a opportunity over here on the 15-minute chart. Bullish Bat pattern completing at 69.60. It's important for you to wait for magic candle confirmation over here before heading in for a buying opportunity, and make sure you place in your stops. All right, so typically I am not drawn to buy or sell oil in a lower time frame like 15-minute chart. Sometimes I don't even like to trade on 1-hour chart because the market volatility is bigger compared to the forex market. So this is something you have to be very aware on each cent movement. Based on your trading size, how much will it cost you to engage the trade before you head in and just driven by the profit potential. So if you love this kind of analysis, you want to learn a skill set that you can use across all markets, you want to spend 15 minutes a day to analyze the market so you can use the rest of the time doing the things you love, drop me a DM. Let's head back to our chart and let me share with you what am I looking at. On the weekly chart, we have a Bearish Shark Pattern. Beautiful setup, and that is why I am open for an aggressive trading opportunity, and to trade it right away aggressively just based on weekly chart is a no-no to me because there isn't any confirmation other than a magic candle, which is not even a magic candle confirmation yet. So I'll rely on the daily chart where I have this bearish crab pattern. A retest is very common for this to happen on a crab pattern, a retest before the actual movement. So any point now, I can head in for a aggressive shorting opportunity because of this RSI divergence. Of course, I would love to head down to the 4-hour or 1-hour chart for better confirmation. Likewise, on the 1-hour chart is the best I can find right now at 88.60. A retest, a touch of this level, as long as it didn't break and close above the previous high 88.64, I will be heading for a shorting opportunity. So my magic candle confirmation will wait at this region and I'll head in to short this trade, and hopefully this will be the trade that brings me another great profit just like the WTI that has did for me last week. Alright, so if you love to learn these trading strategies and technique that allows you to just spend 15 minutes a day to do your analysis, set alert, let your smart devices to monitor the market for you, and once it rings, you just hit the button, If this is what you love as a side income, as a freelance income or additional income, whichever you want to call it, drop me a DM.